Hi, welcome to this week's work for Challenge and Change in Society. We are going to be focusing on our summative. That is right. You guys are going to start planning how you are going to make change. Education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. So let's look at how we're going to use education to do that. Watch this such an inspirational story for the good man. And it will talk about how in the depths of something that seems completely hopeless, you can find not only hope, but the inspiration to change the world. So have a look. It is great. And then we are going to move on to our action part, which is here's another great TEDx video. Watch how defying social norms can lead to change within a society. And then what you're going to do once you've got your inspiration on how you want to change is you're going to move to your assignment here. And our assignment this week is going to be researching what you are interested in. Your first assignment was to do a needs assessment and do some interviews and gather information. And now you have a proposed idea of what you want to do. Now you're going to research that idea. So again, the outline is here. I expect APA references, 4 to 5 content pieces of research from 5 different sources, so a minimum of 5 different print or internet sources, and 1 human interaction resource. So you have to interview somebody who may be impacted by the issue that you are exploring. So this is going to be a case study that you create. I have linked in some great graphic organizers so that we have like a nice organized classroom. If you want to use a graphic organizer, you can, but you do not have to. Again, how to do in-text citations and works cited videos are linked in for you. How I want the layout for the 5 points of information, summarizing how it connects to your culminating and creating a big inquiry research. If you go all the way down, you'll see how to cite an interview. So there's APA on how you're going to cite somebody who's now given you credible information for your project. And then you're going to, I've linked in here because it is going to be assessed, your elevator pitch. So work through all of this great content so that you can start to really bring together what your summative is going to be. This is a super exciting part of the course. And remember, make sure you're doing your CRAP test for all your content in your research summary graphic organizer. The University of Toronto I linked in their website so that you can see your post-secondary choices may be using this. They are, I should say, using the same CRAP tests that we use here in class. So the next one would be sharing your issue. The elevator pitch. Have a look through here because I've posted, this website posts some elevator pitches. So watch some award-winning elevator pitches. That is right. Selling yourself and your idea within 45 seconds. The elevator pitch should be short and shiny. And here is what you're going to do with your elevator pitch. You're going to post it into the discussion, but again, in that graphic organizer. And the graphic organizers are linked in all over the place. So get yourself your graphic organizer and you can use that to help craft your content and submit to Dropbox. And then at the very end, there's a little learning skills reflection. So going through all of your learning skills and reporting how you think you're doing in this course to me. All right, I really look forward to seeing what you guys produce and good luck.